Welcome back to another video. Today I'm installing this Borla S-type dual exhaust. It's a catback system. It's designed specifically for, it works on 2735s, 50s, and 6.2 F-150s. So any engine within the last 10 years works on. But yeah, the truck's coming along nice. We've done a lot to it in just like 3 weeks. Wheels, tires, bed cover, exhaust, undercoating, shocks, lift, the underglow lights. We're gonna be doing the bumper, like I said, probably some running boards, transmission pan. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a subwoofer install eventually on this thing too. But next it's gonna be, obviously we're gonna get the Borla on there, get the bumper on the back, and keep this build moving. So for those of you that don't know, this is my F-150. It's a Lariat Limited, and I got a new bumper coming in for it on Thursday, so I'll be showing that getting on there. It's a black steel bumper that I got with, it has LED lights and side steps, but I'm gonna paint it white, and then I'm gonna paint match the front bumpers eventually too. But here's the exhaust. So it's a Borla S-type dual catback. It's not the true dual with the headers, but it's decent. And all the hardware laid out on the ground here. I got this piece started up here. This is where I'm gonna start grinding, and I'm just gonna try and obviously make it all look something like this. Here's a nice before look. I got it used, but I was cleaning it up, so you can still see a little bit of the rust on there, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. 2 hangers, adjustable hangers with the mounts for them, and you got your 2 clamps for there, and then, well, there's one stuck on right there and over there. And you also have one, this is a 3-inch clamp. These are both 2.25-inch clamps, and the 3-inch bangs up front here after the cats, and scoots right back. This is, I believe, a 15mm socket, a 5/8 socket, an impact, a SAWZALL with a metal blade, and a drill. Well, I was massively wrong about that. Fuck this hanger. Or fuck this thing. Fuck, now I need the hammer. Come on, Bess. Supposedly, it goes right on the stock hangers here. Supposedly, I don't know. So I'm gonna see if I can fucking throw this thing in here without making it too fucked up. I got the exhaust up there. Okay, so here's my hanger. It's just a normal strap hanger with a U-bolt that goes on the bottom. I have a piece of threaded rod somewhere for it, made up. Right here. So I got this piece of threaded rod here, and then just a couple bolts. And so, you know, I'm gonna use the stock hanger, or I'm gonna try to use the stock hanger with this fucking fucked up threaded rod, but it should work. It should work good, actually. Through this right here. You can see that, I think. Oh yeah. Look at that. Tight. Tight, tight, tight.
I think my engine's kind of fucked, to be honest. I think what it is, you know how in automatic starter, like if it's not factory, it like fucks with your bearings, it doesn't give it oil as it's like trying to start it.
Look at this. So like my fucking, this bumper like it comes down farther than my stock one, and I can't have these fucking touching it, or else it would make like a fat rattling sound. Noise. So I'm trying to like fucking custom up some hangers right now to make it like sit where I want it to. I'm using like fucking threaded rod, fucking like pipe hangers and shit.
Also, I just got an oil change.
Yeah, by Sunny?
No, I went to valve.
Why did you need an oil change so bad, Hank?
Because I was already like 1,000 miles, 2,000 miles.
And these just bolt up to your frame through here where you need them to. And then they come down, push through the top hole, and then the bottom hole would pick up, you know. So you push those through, and then that's what holds your tail pieces in the end. So I'm about to do that side, then do that side, and then I'm gonna put this bigger hanger back in the middle where it fits. Thing looks absolutely dirty though. Looks dank.